Hi guys, good evening. I had just come down for an evening stroll and I was just evaluating my kind of appraisal of my performance in various sectors, in my personal life, in my work front, and I was just feeling a little mired about not achieving my goals the way I would have ideally wanted. And then all along my walk, I was just thinking it is so easy to get bogged down by your um, results, by your end goals, and it leaves you demotivated, not feeling like doing things, or you don't get that energy and inspiration to continue what you want to pursue in life. And then I was reminded of something which I had myself written somewhere or maybe spoken about, the difference between the process goals and the end goals. So many times in our life, like in our career, in our health, in our relationships, we have set certain end goals which we want to achieve in our life in various fields. But if we keep on focusing on reaching there, like your focus is totally on your end goals and you lose sight of your process goals. So there is a difference between process and the end. The end is where you want to reach, or the number which you want to hit. Anything, be it your you want to lose a certain amount of weight, you want to earn a certain amount of money, it can be anything. That is your end goal. And you want to crack a marathon in a particular timing, it can be anything. And the process goal is the journey into achieving that end goal. So the process goal is each and every day your journey, your trials and tribulations, your challenges, your issues, the kind of problems you face each day in achieving those goals. And those process goals make you who you become at the end of your target. It's not the end goal. The person you become, the character, the grit, the resilience, the attitude which you get in life is through the process goal. So I would like to give an analogy about two people, two mountaineers trying to climb a huge steep mountain peak, and they both have a different perspective. One person is looking at the peak of the mountain and he is constantly, his focus is there, and the other person is just enjoying the view, just getting on with his task of clearing one hurdle after another and being in the flow. And the result is that both of them reach the mountain peak. But the experience, the enjoyment, the fun, the learning, what the person who enjoys being in the flow gets would be different from the person who is constantly struggling and just thinking in his head that how difficult it is to climb the mountain, you how much more distance is left, and how he is feeling mired by all the challenges. So how you process all the challenge and how you enjoy being in the flow, just learning that there is going to be challenge, there is going to be issue, there is going to be hiccup, there is going to be pitfall, and you just have to learn to be in the flow, not try anything, not resist anything, and just let it be the way it is. And only when you are like that, you are able to absorb what that challenge is trying to teach you, rather than cribbing about it, complaining about it, or giving it some kind of resistance which makes it difficult for the person to climb the mountain. So while the view at the top is same for both of them, but the journey, the process makes the person who he becomes finally. It is because the all the learnings of various hurdles, if you are open to learning, if you are open to being in the flow, if you are open to experiencing, you will, the kind of person you become at the end of the goal, you will have a different set of experience, both the people. So I was feeling mired myself, and then I tried resonating through this ideology that it is very important to focus on your process goal, taking one day at a time, and just enjoying, just learning, just grasping all that the moment is trying to tell me, rather than thinking about when I am going to reach my goal, when I am going to reach my end goal. Because being focused in getting somewhere is one thing, and getting consumed by the idea of reaching somewhere is another thing. So the whole idea is how, what kind of energy you're trying to exude. I reasoned this to myself. I hope this video is going to help others too in making a difference between understanding the difference between the process goals and the end goals. It's the process that makes a person who he becomes rather than the end. All the accolades are not in one day of that reaching that end goal. It is the trial and the tribulation of the journey, the process. Thank you guys.